Urgent warning to all Bitcoin traders. Are you ready for what's coming? Yes, my friend, are you ready for what's coming? And in that video, we're going to show you what exactly coming that week. So make sure to watch the video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see, guys, that the weekly candle here, it finished. Bitcoin, what it done today, was very close to touch for us that last high here, or it touched it here, because if you remember what else we told you here in the weekly, we told you we got here a megaphone. We need the Bitcoin to break here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. At the first scenario, the second scenario, we're going to see the Bitcoin from here is going to respect like how it happened before, and we're going to see it dumping, because if we came here, guys, we got here in the weekly now like a flag. We show you that flag in the daily. Now there is one of two. Bitcoin is going to break it, and we're going to see it going above. That the first scenario. Second scenario, we're going to see the Bitcoin from here falling down again to touch for us the lower of that long term up channel here. That one here, also we've been talking a lot about it here, that channel here. Maybe the Bitcoin from here is going to fall down to touch the lower of it again. Even that one, it's possible. Oh, by the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes, and know you can do it. So please, my friend, please support us by just smashing that like button down if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Over there is more analysis 24/7. Also, we are available there. Also, today, before I came to register that video for you, as you see it, guys, we enter a short exactly down here. It's hitting for us the first take profit. So if you want this type of signals, and every day there is a signal, the link of our VIP Discord or the link of our Patreon, because to join our VIP Discord you need to pass via Patreon, is it down in the description of that video, and in the first comment you click at it. If you don't see that VIP cryptocurrency, you click at that one here. If you are in the phone, just scroll from right to left till you see it. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either in Discord or here in Patreon, and we're going to solve for you that problem you're facing. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin here in the weekly, that 3 weeks in a row, Bitcoin give us here very good sign. Now us, we are in the top of that channel here. We show it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it, that the channel also we show you here. And we told you if we break it down, it's going to be a flag, and that's going to drive the Bitcoin 1095k or something like that here. If that happen, of course, because the break here is going to break for us even the last high here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Second scenario, and me, that's what me I'm thinking, because till now I'm going to show you everything in that video. Look at it here, that up channel also we have here. We touch the top of it here, and we told you the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here till it will touch in the lower of it. Then after that it's going to move upward. Now let's wait to see what's going to happen. Unless if the Bitcoin got another view from here, exactly that being the low, then after that it's going to go more higher. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Now what we need to do, we need to wait the coming week what the Bitcoin going to do here, exactly here, because that one is very important. So you need to focus about it. If we're going to break it, that means then coming week we close above here. That's very good for Bitcoin in general, and we're going to see the Bitcoin going to that 100k or 59k based on the take profit of that one, as I show you here. That's the first scenario, as I told you guys. Why me I'm still bearish, guys? Why me I'm still bearish? Let me show you why. Because of that one, guys. Bitcoin sentiment, as you see it here, it passed 50%, guys. It passed 50%, and the bulls, as you see them here, the bulls, they go back very close to be below than 25%. That way me I'm thinking there is a dump, because that one here here, it's representing the sentiment of all traders in all exchanges. But everything is possible, guys. I don't tell you to sell your Bitcoin, and I will never tell you to sell your Bitcoin. That one here is only for swing trading. So I think picture is very, very clear, guys. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the coming news for all the week. That week is going to be very, very, very important week. So we need to be careful about it. What we got, as you see it, Monday, what we got the GDP of UK, Germany CPI, and Fed Chair Powell speech at 5:55 GMT time. That's the news we got in Monday. Then what we got in Tuesday. In Tuesday, we got the CPI data of the Eurozone. SP Global US Manufacturing PMI, and that one here is very, very important, guys, that ISM manufacturing is going to tell you if the US dollar going to go higher or to fall down. So you need to be careful about it. It's going to come in Tuesday at 2 o'clock, as you see it here. Then we got the jolt. Wednesday, what we got? EDP, non-farm employment change, and crude oil inventory. Thursday, what we got? Initial jobless claim, SP Global Service PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing. But the most important one is ISM manufacturing, guys, because non-manufacturing doesn't affect a lot the US dollar. That one manufacturing affect a lot the US dollar. Then on Friday, what we got? We got average hourly earning and non-farm payroll plus the unemployment rate is going to come at 12:30 GMT time. So is it a very, very busy week? That way the market, it look like it's going to spend all the week sideways, but it's okay. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day, guys. Here, look at it, what they're telling us. Dow Jones, SP, Nasdaq 100 closed the week red, SP closed the week red, Dow Jones closed it green, but there is no huge moves, guys. So that's mean there is no huge move. Down here, our friend the VIX, we used to be 15, today it bounced to 16.96. It's when people, they are scared, and that's what us we've been telling you. We've been telling you maybe we're going to see a dump, maybe we're going to see a dump in the coming days. And as you see it, guys, the foreign currency started getting higher, but everything is possible, guys, because the market, everything, it can change without minutes. So there is nothing to be worried about. I was going to see it. Bitcoin will do it today in daily, guys. Here we are in the daily, guys. Here in the daily, the Bitcoin gave us here a very, very common pattern. Also, we've been talking about it a lot. It happened even down here. People, they been with me here in that channel. They remember it when it happened down here. Then the Bitcoin, what it done when it happened. Look at it. It bounced above. Same thing now it happened. Let's see if it's going to fall down, because everything is possible, guys. Which pattern I'm talking about? Is it that one here? If you're looking with me, you're going to see it there. And next to it, it happened here. A red candle like that. Down here, it happened a green candle next to it. Now it happened a red candle next to it. So maybe, guys, that one here, it's being the top. That way we saw sentiment. A lot of people, they want to Bitcoin to dump, but should us we enter a shop based on what? There is nothing here telling us the market is going to fall down, unless if we got a price action in lower time frames. Actually, Bitcoin here, it's breaking for us neckline of that double bottom here, and we show it to you before. We told you we broke in here. So everything is possible, guys. It might we're going to see the Bitcoin going above, and we told you exactly the level of that one. We do it like that, and we told you the Bitcoin, when it's breaking here, we are going to go between 76 till 78 exactly here at the target. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days, because at this time we don't got nothing here telling us the Bitcoin is going to fall down. So we need to wait till the right time. Yes, also we are in a very, very strong level. I just show you that down channel we got in weekly, but everything is possible, guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, there is one of two. As you see that level here, the volume profile, it started getting spiked there. That candle which is going now, it gave us like a pin bar there. Now let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to go more higher. Even that one, it's possible, guys, because that the up channel as we used to talk about. Now we touch it again. I'm going to show you all those things in 4 hours when we reach there. Let's see what's going to happen. Levels, you need to focus on them where they are. Let me me show it to you. That one here, I tell it to you, 68, 141, and the top level 72, 115. So those ones, the levels you need to focus at them, and that one down here, 64, 255. So those ones, the levels you need to look at them, what the Bitcoin going to do, guys. You need to focus at those levels. Remember that. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum in the 4 hours, it tried to give us here a double top, guys, as you see it here. That one here is a double top. If the Ethereum fall down and break it down here, we're going to see the Ethereum falling down very sharp. That's the first scenario. Second scenario we still have here. That one here, and I'll show it to you, that head and shoulder here. Till now, the Ethereum, he couldn't break the neckline of that head and shoulder. The third thing we got here, is it that one here? Even that one, I show it to you. I told you got here like a flag like that. Even that one, it's possible, guys. If the Ethereum came back and break it above here, we're going to see the Ethereum going more higher. So those ones, the levels you need to focus on them, what the Ethereum going to do here, guys. So I think picture is very, very clear. We don't need to explain more than that. You can even come and connect in that peak here, that one with that one here, with a downtrend like that, and you waiting that downtrend to be broke. Even that one, it's possible, guys. The levels you need to look at them here in the Ethereum, guys. I'll show it to you, but it's okay to repeat it. That one here, 2552. The top level here, 2781, and the down one here, exactly 2329. So those ones, the levels you need to focus on them. What the Ethereum going to do, if it's going to bounce, it's going to fall down till down here to touch that one, then after to bounce at the first scenario. And what me are thinking is going to go to touch that level here, then after we're going to see it, maybe it's going to fall down. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator, it gave us here the divergence. We show it to you before. Should we enter based on divergence, guys? No, also we don't enter based on divergence. Also we enter based on price action, and tell now there is no price action here telling us the market is going to fall down. So we need to wait until the right time. Yes, we got a lot of things. They're telling us maybe the Ethereum is going to fall down, guys. Yes, we got here a divergence. The Ethereum, he couldn't break the last high that the divergence as we're talking about. But very important thing, we don't got any price action here. And our indicator is staying here in the place where the bulls they control. And now we touching that zone here. And every time when you touch it, look at it, guys. It bounce up from it. So maybe from here, we're going to see the Ethereum doing the same like how it done before. That's why also we need to wait the price action to confirm for us we need to enter. I think picture is very, very clear. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin, look at it. Something very, very important here. We need to zoom it a little bit like that for pictures get more clear to you. The Bitcoin fall down, touch the lower of that channel here. Now there is one of two, guys. The Bitcoin going to break down here, and we're going to see it falling down because that channel, do you see it? How many times it's being touched? The last time when we touched it, we saw that bounce where we are now. We're reached till 66k. Now we need to see, and me I tell it to you yesterday here, I told you there is one of two. Bitcoin is going to go to touch the top of that channel, or is going to break the lower of that channel. We're going to see it falling down. The channel, how we draw it, because I know a lot of people, they don't know how to draw. They came to criticizing me in comments. You came to the tail of that candle here, and you do like that, my friend. You see it from that one, that one, that one, and that one here. And today we just touch it. That meant that uptrend, it's being touched 5 times. Now what you need to do, you need to wait at that one here to get broke for you to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, my friend. So you need to wait till the right time. For long, in 30 minutes, I'm going to show you how to catch a long from here. But here in 4 hours, there is no long, my friend, yet. You need to wait it in smaller time frames, because as I told you, 4 hours is it for swing trading. And for swing trading now, it's very, very dangerous for you to enter a long at this time. Exactly. In smaller time frames, the stop loss is going to be very close. But here, stop loss, it need to be far away. That way me I told you there is no entry long yet here in the Bitcoin in 4 hours. You need to wait in a correction and to catch it from down, guys. I think I explained everything to you. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we got here the divergence. We show it to you. We told you we got here a divergence like that. Should we enter a short now? Yeah, now we haven't broken the lower of that up channel. That the divergence, guys, as you see it here. Is it from that one and that one? That divergence here. But there is nothing yet, guys. It's need that one to enter here to the place where the bears they controlling, and it's need to break for us that up channel for us to catch in a short. If that doesn't happen, there is no entry short, and you need to wait till the right time, my friend. If you want exactly when us we enter, where we put in stop loss, where we put in take profit, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving every day a signal there. If you are interested, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Also today, what we do, being waiting here all the weekend, we've been waiting that sideways here. Today we know it, the market always making that move here. We came to that tail here, that one, and we waited. When it's getting broke here, we're catching that short. That tail here is hitting for us the first take profit. Fair enough. Now we're moving stop loss to that peak here. That means we are risk free. What we got else here in the Bitcoin, guys? We got here a symmetric triangle here, as you see it from the tail of that candle and that one here. Now if the Bitcoin going to reverse and to go more higher, because if you're looking with me here now, look at it here, what you got here, see it, guys, a down channel. So if the Bitcoin from here going to reverse and to break above here, it's going to be like a flag, guys, and that's going to indicate that when the Bitcoin is going to go more higher than that. So also we catch a short. If the Bitcoin going to give us here in that level any price action, we're going to enter a long, and that's what us we doing. If you want even you to benefiting from those signals of us every day, I told you what to do, and believe me, my friend, 25 bucks is nothing. You're going to back it within one signal, but it's up to you. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, as you see, it started entering to extreme oversold area. Even that one, should we catch a long now? At this time there is no long, guys, and me I told you maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down. It's going to make a correction, and I give you the levels exactly where to try to catch it. That's how it look like, guys. I think picture is very clear, guys. We don't need to make the video too long. By the way, if you made it from the start of the video till here, you are a special subscriber. So go down to the comment section and write a hashtag. We use it together. I have done it for me to know the people that stick with us from the start of that video till here. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.